Do you ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day to cook a healthy meal? Between work, family, and everything else, it's easy to let cooking fall by the wayside. We've all been there, staring into the fridge after a long day, too tired to cook. But relying on fast food too often can take a toll on our health and wallets. That's why I'm here to share tips for making healthy meals fast. You'll be surprised at how easy it can be to nourish your body with home-cooked meals. Batch cooking is a game changer for busy weeknights. Set aside a few hours on the weekend, maybe Sunday afternoon, and cook up a big batch of something delicious. Think hearty soups, chili, roasted vegetables, or even a simple grain like quinoa. Then, divide it into separate containers and place them in the freezer. When you get home from work, exhausted and starving, all you have to do is pull out a container and reheat it. No chopping, no cooking, just a healthy homemade meal ready in minutes. Batch cooking not only saves you time during the week, but it also helps you avoid those impulsive takeout orders. You'll be eating healthier and saving money without even trying. I know chopping vegetables can feel like a chore, especially when you're tired. But here's a little secret. Pre-cut veggies are your new best friend. You can buy them pre-washed and pre-chopped at the grocery store, or if you prefer, you can dedicate a little time on the weekend to prepping your own. Imagine this. You come home, open the fridge, and there they are. Perfectly chopped onions, peppers, carrots, ready to be tossed into a stir-fry, roasted in the oven, or added to a quick soup. No more tedious chopping, no more excuses. Just quick, easy, and healthy meals that even the busiest person can manage. One-pot meals are a lifesaver for busy cooks. Think hearty soups, stews, chili, or even a simple pasta dish where everything cooks together in one pot. This not only saves you cooking time, but it also means less cleanup afterwards. A win-win. You can throw in canned beans, frozen vegetables, quick cooking proteins like chicken or shrimp to make it even faster. One-pot meals are incredibly versatile. You can use whatever you have on hand, and they're easily adaptable to different dietary needs. Cook a big batch on the weekend and enjoy it throughout the week. Smoothies are a fantastic way to get a quick and nutritious breakfast or snack, even when you're rushing out the door. Prep them ahead of time, portion out your favorite fruits, vegetables, protein powder, and healthy fats into bags or jars. In the morning, grab a prepped bag. Toss it into your blender. Add some liquid and blend. Within minutes, you have a delicious and nutritious smoothie packed with vitamins and energy. Think vibrant green smoothies with spinach, kale, and mango. Or creamy berry smoothies with banana and almond milk. It's a simple and delicious way to nourish your body on the go. A slow cooker or an instant pot can be a lifesaver for busy individuals. These appliances do the cooking for you, so you can come home to a hot, delicious meal without any effort. In the morning, simply throw your ingredients into the slow cooker or instant pot, set the timer, and go about your day. By dinner time, you'll have a flavorful and tender meal waiting for you. With a slow cooker, you can create comforting, home-cooked meals with minimal effort. The Instant Pot offers the convenience of both slow cooking and pressure cooking, allowing you to cook meals even faster. From soups and stews to rice dishes and even yogurt, the possibilities are endless. Don't let those leftovers go to waste. Leftovers are a fantastic way to save time and reduce food waste. With a little creativity, you can transform last night's dinner into a completely new meal. Roasted chicken can become chicken salad sandwiches, or a flavorful chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Leftover rice can be turned into fried rice, or used as a base for a burrito bowl. Even leftover vegetables can be added to omelets, frittatas, or soups. By repurposing ingredients, you not only save time but also reduce your grocery bill and minimize food waste. Salads don't have to be boring. Keep a variety of greens, pre-cooked proteins like grilled chicken or hard-boiled eggs, and your favorite toppings on hand for quick and satisfying salads. Add some chopped vegetables, nuts, seeds, or dried fruit for extra flavor and texture. A simple vinaigrette or a dollop of hummus can transform a basic salad into a flavorful meal. Salads are incredibly versatile and can be customized to your liking. For a heartier salad, add quinoa, lentils, or roasted sweet potatoes. Salads are a great way to get your daily dose of vegetables and nutrients in a quick and easy way. Sheet pan dinners are a game changer for weeknight cooking. Simply toss your protein, vegetables, and starch onto a single sheet pan. Season them with your favorite spices and roast them in the oven. It's a hands-off cooking method that requires minimal prep and cleanup. You can use any protein you like: chicken, fish, tofu, or even chickpeas. Add your favorite vegetables like broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, or Brussels sprouts. Sheet pan dinners are not only easy to prepare, but also incredibly flavorful. Frozen fruits, vegetables, and proteins are your secret weapons for quick and healthy meals. They are just as nutritious as fresh produce and can save you tons of time in the kitchen. No washing, chopping, or peeling required. Frozen vegetables are picked at their peak ripeness and flash frozen to preserve their nutrients. They're a convenient and affordable way to add more vegetables to your diet. Frozen fruits are perfect for smoothies, yogurt bowls, or even a quick dessert. With frozen ingredients, you can whip up a healthy meal in under 15 minutes. Setting a timer for your meal prep can help you stay efficient. Challenge yourself to complete your meal prep in 30 minutes or less. Focus on simple recipes and streamlined techniques. Plan your meals for the week ahead. Create a grocery list and stick to it. Prep your ingredients ahead of time. Wash, chop, and store your vegetables. Cook extra grains and store them for quick meals. Enjoy healthy, home-cooked meals all week long. So there you have it. 10 simple yet powerful tips to make healthy meals fast, even with the busiest of schedules. Start by incorporating one or two of these tips into your weekly routine and gradually add more as you become more comfortable. With a little planning and some clever strategies, you can absolutely enjoy delicious, nutritious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. It's all about working smarter, not harder. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy cooking tips and tricks. And be sure to share your favorite quick cooking tips in the comments section below. I love hearing from you.